Alright, so another one of the toys just arrived from the mail. It's, should I say, one of the first robots that I fell in love with as a kid. I watched this accidentally from an overridden Betamax tape, which was supposed to be Dragon Ball Z, and then I ended up loving the show. It's called Zeta Gundam, and yeah, I'm happy to be finally reunited with this robot. And let's see what we have in the box. Okay, so in here, lots of stickers, quite big runners. I'll pause it here. I'll run one by one on the runners to see if they're complete, and I'll catch you guys on the speed build. Alright. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed that short animation that we did for that video. I'm still getting the hang of it, so I apologize if it's a bit short. Eventually you will see more of stop motion animation on my video, so stay tuned for that one. By the way, I used Stop Motion Studio to build that. I only used the free version. Actually, a lot of people were commenting that the free version's useless. It's not true. I used it for this video. So but yeah, it's easy to use. The transitions are smooth, so that's why I like using that application. I'll put a link on the description below on how to get that app if you wanna try it out. It's easy to use, even a kid can get the hang of it. So yeah, okay, so going back to the model kit, what do I like about it? A lot of the joints that are used for articulation are good and tight, so they're well built. So if you noticed my animation on that transformation part, some of the poses are a bit awkward, but it was able to held its pose, so that was good. There's a lot of detail on the kit. I don't know if you can see it because I didn't do any panel lining at all. Eventually, if I'm gonna be displaying it or on another video, I would probably do some panel lining to the kit. But yeah, it's really good. There's so much detail to it. There's a good amount of weapons. The Wave Rider mode was really nice. So yeah, now going to the cons, there are some loose parts, although yeah, it's not really that important in terms of articulation, so it's okay. Some examples are the headpiece right here, so that tends to fall off when you move the head, so be careful. And then these parts right here, actually this one opens up to reveal some guns on the wrist. Yeah, that tends to open accidentally. And this hand tends to be a bit loose. But other than that, most of the joints are really tight and well built. Actually, a bit too tight on the shoulders. So you may consider putting some lubricant or silicone oil to that. But please use silicone oil that's intended for plastic, like the Tamiya ones that are being sold on some hobby shops. Another con is this has a lot of stickers, and some of it are not really supposed to be stickers. Like, see the red parts on the wings, and this part on the shield. So those are stickers. Most of the orange parts that you can see on the arms are also stickers, and the legs, those are stickers as well. So there's a great deal of stickers. So if you're fond of putting them, by all means enjoy. Me, I'm not really a fan of stickers. So I might repaint the thing so that it doesn't rely on those stickers for detail. But yeah, other than that, it's a great kit. It brought back some nice childhood memories. So a big shout out to Wasabi Toys for hooking me up to this model kit. I'll also put a link on the description below on their shop so that you could check out what they're selling. I'd like to thank them for always shipping the items on time, and for always sending me complete and authentic kits. So big shout out to Wasabi Toys. Other than that, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do like this video if you enjoyed it, and if you like these kinds of content. And please do subscribe. The channel really needs more subscribers. So yeah, until next time, I hope you enjoyed this video, and as usual, I will see you guys soon. Peace.